Hi, Sarah here from Singer's Advice. Well, this week I thought I'd set you a little challenge. I've been working hard on the Sing School content, getting ready for September, and it got me to thinking about the last module is going to be all about holistic things and how you can get into thinking a bit more holistically about your voice. And that got me to be thinking about today and this challenge. And my challenge for you today is to grab a sheet of paper and a pen. And what I want you to do is I want you to write down what it is that you want to achieve with your singing voice. What are your goals? What do you want to improve on? What is it that really would make a big difference to you and your voice? And then I also want you to write a list of the things that are holding you back, because these are often the things that get in the way, and they could be psychological things, emotional things. You know, what are our barriers to getting better at singing? And I want you to list those things and really think about what it is that is stopping you from getting the voice that you want. And write the list down. Just kind of don't even think about it too much. Just grab that piece of paper, the pen or a pad or something, and just write the things down. Give yourself a minute, time yourself to write down as many things that you want to get better at with your singing voice. And then on the other side, write down another minute, write down a list of all the things that might be holding you back. And you can either share those with me in the comments, or you can share them with me personally. You can email them to me and let me know what came up for you. Or maybe this is just an interesting exercise for you to have a look at what those things might be. So let me know. I'm going to do it too. Let me know how it went. Let me know what comes up. And yeah, I look forward to hearing what those things are. And I also look forward to seeing you soon. Don't forget, enrollment for Sing School is coming up in, I think it's about 3 weeks now. I'll be letting you know, so make sure you're on the email list so that I can let you know when that opens its doors for you to enroll, and I'm really excited to see you there. This course is like your ultimate boot camp for singing. You are going to learn so much. You're going to really solidify your breathing technique, your posture, your technical practice, your warm-up regime. You're going to be doing some really fun exercises to improve your rhythm and your timing and your tempo and your diction, your intonation, your tuning, your power, your support. I could go on and on. You're going to learn harmony, you're going to learn how to improvise, and you're going to learn how to really get on the right track to getting the voice that you want. So if you haven't already signed up to the wait list, you can do that by going to singersadvice.com/singschool. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine, but you can get some free training by going to singersadvice.com/free training, where you'll get 3 exercises that you can practice to improve your voice. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you again soon at Singer's Advice.